I'm making a tool to cool. So this thing not only will hopefully keep things a bit cooler, make the blade last longer, but also hopefully keep the dust down, make it a bit safer. There you go, all built. Now I've got another thing to create with this bit of steel here. Let me explain. One of the problems with welding is you're dealing with so much heat, and so when you heat stuff, it expands, and then when it cools, it contracts or shrinks, which is no good for metal. So yeah, as you're welding, it basically will be pulled in one direction, and there's not really much you can do about it apart from really clamping it good beforehand. So I'm going to make a little tool to help with that. So it's going to be a 90-degree section that I'm going to get hopefully welded really good and true, and I can use that as a guide, clamp that to the rest of the steel when I weld it. So yeah, let's make that now. So, after much work, I made something that is actually square. I'm very happy with it. Have I explained what this is for? I'll show you. So I want to extend this frame here, and I want to come off here. It's fairly difficult to get this square to the frame. I mean, I could run another straight and clamp it on there. That would be pretty good. But this is my plan. So I position this where I want it. I clamp it on here. That way I get a straight edge this way into here, so I know that this is going to be square to this frame. Weld away. Thanks for watching. Remember, a like and subscribe goes a long way. Join me next week for something a little bit different. I'm going to actually pull apart some speakers. So, see you there. Thanks.